By the end of this video, you will know how to track billable expenses in QuickBooks Online. Begin in QuickBooks Online from the main dashboard. Go to the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the top right area of the screen. From that menu, select Account and Settings. This opens the section where QuickBooks controls company-wide preferences, including how expenses are handled in your file. Once you are inside Account and Settings, open the Expenses tab. You may see several options here related to bills, purchase orders, and expense tracking. The setting you need is the one labeled Make Expenses and Items Billable. Turn that setting on, then click Save. If QuickBooks asks you to confirm the change, approve it so the setting stays active. This step matters because QuickBooks will only let you mark transactions as billable after this option has been enabled. After saving the setting, move on to creating the expense you want to pass through to a customer. Create either a new expense or a new bill, depending on how you are recording the cost in your books. If the payment has already been made, you may use an expense. If you are entering something that will be paid later, use a bill. Open the form you normally use and begin entering the transaction details. Fill in the expense information as you usually would. Choose the payee or vendor. Enter the payment account if you are using an expense, and add the date and any other details required for that transaction. Then go to the line item section where you record the actual expense. On the line you want to charge back, check the billable box. This is the key part of the process. If the billable box is not selected for that line, QuickBooks will treat it as a regular expense and it will not appear later when you create an invoice. After marking the line as billable, select the correct customer or project for that expense. This connects the cost to the customer who should be invoiced for it. Make sure you choose the right customer or project before saving, because that selection controls where the billable charge will appear later. If more than one line should be billed to a customer, mark each applicable line and assign the correct customer or project to each one. When everything looks correct, save the transaction. QuickBooks will now keep that expense linked to the selected customer or project. The next time you create an invoice for that customer, the billable expense will be available for you to add to the invoice as part of the billing process. The billable expense is now saved in QuickBooks Online and ready to be added to the next invoice for that customer.